Hi guys, this is Holly Hutchings, and I am going to teach you about one of my favorite tools called Google Drawings. I call it the super tool because I can do just about anything with it that I want to. All of my worksheets, all of my pictures, all of my, so I'm super excited to share this with you to kind of help you see some of the stuff that I've been able to create with it and hopefully give you a tool in your classroom or help you learn how to use a tool maybe you knew about but you didn't know all the things it could do, or maybe just review stuff that you already knew. So why do I love Google Drawings? Well, let me tell you. First of all, I love Google Drawings because I use Google Drawings for almost all of my paperwork in the classroom. Worksheets, anytime I want to create a new worksheet, I use Google Drawings to create new worksheets. And then pictures. And so here's a picture that I'm going to teach. I'm going to show you how to scan this and turn it into a really nice professional looking picture, and then take it and add information to the picture. So that's kind of something I want to show you how to do on Google Drawings. Also, I make patterns. So in my other presentation that I did this summer, I did what can you do with a rectangle. I actually created the pattern on Google Drawings. Super easy, way easier than using Google Docs. And you can put what I love about it is you can put your paragraph if you're writing anywhere on the page. You can put an arrow, you can put lines, dotted lines, you can put shapes, anything you want. And you can take and edit pictures. It's so cool. So I love it. Another thing you can do is instruction sheets. So this is one of my fancy instruction sheets from my other presentation that I did. This one's called Drawstring Backpack. It's an instruction sheet to teach you how to make a drawstring backpack. I just want to tell you I used Google Drawings to create all of these little drawings. And I'm going to show you how to do that with this tutorial. So, and then here's the inside, all of these little pictures. These are my hand drawings right here that I just basically drew it up with my hands with a pencil, and then I scanned it in, and then I turned it into a drawing, and then I put it into my Google Drawings. And so I'm going to teach you how to do all of that. Okay, and then you can do more. Another thing that I do is I create pictures to put in my website. So I'm just going to go to my website right now and show you some of the pictures that I've created for that. So I have two big websites, Mrs. Hutchings Classroom and Mrs. Hutchings Sewing Room. So if you go to my website, you're going to see a little title menu across the top here. And I'm just going to go to the Sew Standards, the pattern, because I want to go to the Drawstring Backpack and show you this picture that I created with Google Drawings. And so you can kind of see how useful it can be. So here, this right here, where it says materials needed, that picture, I created this picture in Google Drawings. So basically I took a picture of my pattern, everything that they would need to have for this project. And then I inserted the picture into Google Drawings, and then I added these little title things and put arrows so they could see what I was referring to. I made a border, made it look all fancy, and yeah, so it pretty much, so right here you can see and it tells them how much they're going to need of each thing, and so this whole picture shows them exactly what they're going to need for the Drawstring Backpack. And then over here it has a list. So I just took the picture so they could see what the materials look like, basically what the tools and all the materials that they're going to need. So I'm going to show you how to do that kind of stuff as well. Another reason why I love Google Drawings is that I can insert things wherever I want to on a page. So basically, if you look at this, for example, I'm just going to stop sharing for just a minute. So if you look at this, if you look at this page right here, so I was able to put everything where I wanted it. So basically, I was able to create this drawing with my like paper and pencil and insert it. And then I was able to create a label to show them what this drawing represents. And then I was able to create a label to show the pattern. And it just shows the whole layout guide here. And then I could put like an arrow, and I could put different titles next to those arrows and kind of show you exactly what should look like. So yeah, so I'm going to share my screen again. Okay, the next thing I love about Google Drawings is I can make a page that looks exactly like I picture it in my head, so that the picture that I just showed you on my website over here, like basically instead of like if you go into Google Docs, it's gonna like have you insert things in a paragraphical order. And so like if you try to put a picture in, it's gonna wanna stay over next to the margin and you can't move it where you want to. Google Drawings, it overrides all of that and makes it a lot easier to use and super fun. Okay, the next thing that I really love about Google Drawings is that I can upload my work as a PDF or as a JPEG file, depending on what I need to do with it.